In this video, I'm going to show you guys the setup that I have for this Epson projector. This is the model 880, and also I'm going to show you guys the switch that I bought. This Epson model only has one HDMI output, so I had to buy a switch. Currently, I only have the PS4, a Nintendo Switch, and I can also connect my computer, and even if I want to my phone, I bought a HDMI mini. So this is the switch. It's pretty simple. This is the brand, Roofull. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, and it says it takes up to 4K HDMI, 5 ports. So this is what it says it'll do. I bought this on Amazon. I'm gonna try to leave the links in the description so you can buy it if you're interested. So as you can see in the back, it's pretty simple to connect, to install. So this one is the main from the projector. I'll show you in the projector right now. This is the one. Let's see, it's HDMI output, and the rest of them are in. So right now I only have 3. I'll switch it right now so you can see how it works. And this one is just go straight to your outlet, electrical outlet. So right now I'm using the number 1 port, and is the PS4. So right now it's just the PS4. It gives good quality picture. I think it looks the same as if you would plug it straight to your projector. So let me show you the computer. Let me switch it. Forgot which one I had it on. Yeah, right there I have it on switch into. So this is the computer. It looks pretty good. Right now I have the lights on. Everything, it's bright right now, so I still get a good quality picture with the lights on. I'll turn them off right now so you can see. And right here I have the Nintendo Switch. It's right here. So as you can see, it's good picture. It comes with this remote, so I can switch it straight from here. Let me go to the PlayStation. I have it on 1. So let me switch to number 2. The Nintendo went off, but right there, it was just the Nintendo went to sleep mode. So back to 1, and you do kind of have to point to the switch so you can receive the signal. So since I have the projector way in the back, it's like maybe like 10 feet or more, I had to buy a long HDMI cable. This one. I'll try to leave the link in the description. It's a very good quality. It's kind of, the cable is kind of thick. Let me show you the projector side. So here's the projector. I'm gonna close the lens so that I can get a better picture. You have you can close it from here, and it just buttons right here. I'm not gonna show the back because I don't want to move the projector from here. But it only has like 1 HDMI and a USB input. So right now it's zoomed out a little bit, So I have the remote right here. So let me zoom in. As you can see, it's getting bigger. I think that's a good function that it has. It responds very good. And also you can put the volume up from here. So let me turn the lights off. So right there the lights are off. And put the volume down. Right there the lights are off and the doors are closed. Pretty dark in here. And I think it looks good. Maybe in the phone it looks, but as you can see I'm zooming in on the phone and it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna leave some links in the description. Maybe even if you want to see the screen that I bought. This is a 150-inch screen from Amazon. I think I paid like $100. And this is like the portable one. You just bring it down from here. You can't see right now. You just bring the screen down and it'll look like this on the bottom. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.